Hey there, plant pals. Today, we're diving into the world of natural gardening solutions. And guess what? We're not talking fancy, expensive products, but a secret weapon you probably already have in your pantry: baking soda. Yes, that humble box of sodium bicarbonate has superpowers in the garden. So grab your favorite mug, get comfy, and let's explore 7 amazing ways to use baking soda for a thriving, healthy green haven. 1. Pest Patrol. Keep the creepy crawlies away. Tired of aphids munching on your roses or slugs slimming across your veggies? Baking soda to the rescue. Sprinkle a light dusting around your plants or mix a solution: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon mild soap, 1 gallon water, and spray directly on unwanted guests. Remember, be gentle with beneficial insects like ladybugs. 2. Fungus Foe. Say goodbye to powdery mildew. Fungal diseases like powdery mildew can wreak havoc on your plants. But fear not, our baking soda spray comes to the rescue again. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 quart water and spritz affected areas. The mild alkalinity disrupts fungal growth, keeping your plants happy and healthy. 3. Weed Warrior. Tame the wild ones naturally. Weeding can be a chore, but baking soda offers a natural alternative. For small weeds, sprinkle directly on them. For larger ones, make a stronger solution: 2 tablespoons baking soda per liter of water and apply with a spray bottle. Remember, this method is best for spot treatment, not large-scale weed control. 4. Soil Savior. Test and adjust acidity. Unsure about your soil's pH? Baking soda can help. Mix 1 teaspoon with a ½ cup water. If the mixture fizzes, your soil is acidic. For slightly acidic soil, you can add a small amount of baking soda. Be cautious, overdoing it can harm plants. Remember, a soil test kit is always recommended for a more accurate reading. 5. Bloom Booster. Give your plants a caffeine kick. Believe it or not, a pinch of baking soda mixed into your watering can act as a mild fertilizer. The sodium bicarbonate provides essential nutrients, promoting lusher foliage and potentially even more blooms. Remember, moderation is key. Don't overdo it. 6. Compost Champion. Control odors naturally. Love composting, but not the funky smells. Baking soda can help. Sprinkle a thin layer over your compost bin to neutralize odors and keep things fresh. Plus, it helps regulate moisture and discourages pests. There you have it, plant friends. 7 amazing ways to use baking soda in your garden. Remember, always test on a small area first and be mindful of potential impacts on soil pH and sensitive plants. With a little baking soda magic, your garden will be thriving in no time. Now it's your turn. Share your own baking soda gardening hacks in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more green content.